I couldn't open the front door. Of how a rookie with ADHD is working solo as a cleaner, which involves every executive function possible.
I'm tired and hungry and thirsty. I'm hungry and it's 3 p.m. So it feels like this day's never ending.
I clean. Yes, the person who does not know how to clean has become a professional cleaner. I did not know how to clean until I actually got the job. I've got zero experience. I've never learnt to clean an oven. I don't know where a pilot light is. The wins and pitfalls. I went home and I cried. That's on me. Well, that was stressful. Of my first day on the job.
Welcome to Whipped Clean. I'm about to whip this house completely clean.
To be a novice, I didn't ever think I'd get to that level. What is your deal?
Welcome to Dunwater, making Dullsville fun. I have this idea.
Somehow I clean. ADHD is not an attention deficit disorder. It is labelled poorly an executive function deficit.
I'm doing the job of the annex. This is our new annex. This is like a whole new thing. We've never had one of these. This is the whole shebang. Astro pegs. So we got these is because the last tents place we went to, and they had hard astroturf. So we thought, what are we going to do for the next trip?
And as long as you don't hit a rock underneath.
There are pegs for astroturf living.
I reckon just put them in an angle.
And these ones actually go through the astroturf. But now we're in tweed heads. They've got a stronger foundation here. Who knew? This bag here, if you get pockets, it was $30. Out the pockets, $20. We get these from Kmart. All my work gear, including the mop bucket, vacuum cleaner poles, the mop pole, 2 actual buckets, all my sprays. I can make a tight squeeze, but it can all fit. But they're actually camping bags, so I actually use it for work. And what I do like about it for work, it has wheels. Extension pole, like luggage. My mum would not believe me now that I decided to bring microfiber cloth. So everything here's going to get cleaned.
I need a lot of training. Cleaning is in the family. My brother Matt and his wife, sister-in-law, taught me how to do bond cleans and house cleans.
Window cleaning mop, but this is the porcupine mop, which has the microfiber bristles and an extra long barbecue tongs.
A camp kitchen setup, and I'm going to put the kitchen together. I've never done this before, so watch out. It is a top area and it's got these things. I would say this is like a shelf. Ooh! This piece just plonks on top like this, and this side comes up. Oh! There's hooks. At work, when I finish the desk, you'll see it's going like this, and if I see a speck, it's not finished.
Office clean.
My sibling brother and his wife are cleaners, and my husband's brother, my brother-in-law, is a cleaner. My brother-in-law texted and said, hey, I've got a job. So he's let me do the 2 house cleans and the 2 office cleans.
I am off again for more cleaning training.
Take my cleaning very seriously. Yeah, because I wasn't cleaning 7 weeks ago, but I've done a lot of cleaning in 7 weeks. And I can't believe how unclean I used to be. This stuff is not white. And now I just want everything clean. There are marks. So things that we like to bring when we're camping is this portable thing that cooks stuff. This is our non-splatter thing. This is a special tool that cooks things. Oh, no splat. Washes dishes. See, last time we went camping, I was not cleaning, so therefore there is dirt. No longer acceptable. A kettle. Look, there is more dirt. A blister of 7 weeks ago. How dare you?
I have a business called Whipped Clean that I've created from the floor up because it's a cleaning business and we start on the floor. I am officially in the cleaning game. You might think, oh, how can you clean professionally? You can't even clean your own place. And then the dirt just, you see it and then it just gets smooshed over here. And all you've done is cleared the dirt from here, but now it's over there. But remember, you're probably using a sponge and a chuck. Get the right tools.
House is getting brand new microfiber cloth.
And it just makes it so much easier.
I like to actually go through a ton of microfiber cloth.
I go through more costs than people would realise. I find it easier. And this one is polisher. You get this in the car section at Kmart. My brother actually gave me this too. I use it for anything shiny, like a metal kind of shiny, like a tap or a door handle. Polish it with this. It gives it that extra shiny look. I cleaned the bathroom the other day for the first time with a microfiber cloth. I only had to wipe the bench once. I'm going to show you how I clean my rags. I put the microfiber cloth in a bucket, fill the bucket up, put some detergent in the bucket, and I let it sit for 24 hours, squeeze them out, put them in the washing machine, and they feel so good after that.
What time is it? Oh, it's 2:19. I have to start before Ryan starts, otherwise he'll organise it and I want to organise it. So I have to get going. This is our bug zapper. A small portable fridge. Brass monkey. I like where it is. Easy access. Are you telling me that if I set this whole room up the opposite way it would have worked better?
It might work better.
The power cord on the tent is on this side. It's there. Where I put no power things.
You're actually supposed to not put the laundry detergent in the bucket. You're actually supposed to put the disinfectant in the bucket. But I didn't understand that, so I put the detergent in, which I think was a nice win situation because they actually smell really good. I let them soak 24 hours, which at the moment they're soaking for about 36 hours because I forgot about them. So they're gonna have a deep clean. Working memory is when you're doing something and you have to keep in mind what it is that you're doing. I'm going to buy tomato sauce. I'll go to the shop and I've forgotten why I'm in the shop. So I'm at the shop, I just go shopping and I'll come back with everything except for the tomato sauce. But the tomato sauce was the reason I went. The all-purpose cleaner, that's what I forgot. I remember I was looking for something and then I couldn't find it because I couldn't remember what I was looking for. Makes sense.
Fridge and a microwave came through this door and I was trying to get it through here.
Oh, not convenient.
Oh. The solution is staring us in the face.
Open the oven for you.
Wand has wandered over and I'm going to set up a lamp. All it has to do is go in. When executive function says, you know what, I'm busy, stuff like this happens. The brain's going, well, we've done enough. For some reason that took a lot of focus. So these go outside. Well, I'll let him do the maths.
But then also going that way,
Tired and hungry and thirsty. Fully having a 3 o'clock crash. Completely lost the will to do anything. Just within a moment. Like I had fun with the vacuum and then I was like, I'm done. Stopping. Life has just turned off. Look, Ryan's still going. There's different problem. Hungry and it's 3 p.m. So it feels like this day's never ending. It feels like it just keeps going. Usually I have a 4 p.m. crash every single day, but today it's come early. But oh, actually we are in another time zone. How did Tweed know about my 4 o'clock crash? So there's our bedroom next to the road. So when I like to go camping, I like to worry around 2 a.m. thinking that somebody is coming in with a 4-wheel drive and they can't see and they're going to drive over us while I'm sleeping. So I'd be very much aware of why I'm being crushed. I am tired and hungry. Oh, somebody's fishing. So I guess there is stuff in there. I wouldn't want to swim in there if there's fish. Unless there was toads. Well, that's how I set it up.
Awesome work, by the way. So
He's impressed because I just started cleaning and organising after 18 years. And I'm good at it. I didn't think I would be.
Something that I thought I would never ever enjoy nor want to do nor even be able to do, I can now do.
Someone with executive function deficit has become a professional cleaner.
After the kit, I then work on my working memory. Most people's actually has one internally inside the brain area. Mine is very weak. But my working memory goes onto an external notepad. If you would like to know how to clean with the right tools, make it executive function friendly, so I'm about to write down my own instructions. You can email or DM us, and I have some cleaning kits. What we're going to do is we're going to do the kitchen, the bathroom. The first thing you want to do is do the vacuum. Sorry, wrong way around. We're going to do the wiping first because you wipe stuff onto the floor. You can also be a clean person because we know you want to be clean. You just struggle. And then you're going to vacuum because the stuff you wiped is now on the floor. And it's not your fault. The executive function just says no. Do the sink. You'd rather it say yes, but sometimes the answer is just no. And then I'm going to mop. So I write that down or I forget. You can work around that by getting the right tools and the right method, and I will teach you. Oh, thirsty. I always lose my stuff. Executive function, failure friendly cleaning methods. Okay, spray and run. So if you'd like a kit, I will be selling them, but I'll be selling them at a reasonable price because I got a pretty good deal on all the stuff. If this is a face you can trust, let me help you and let you help your family.
I don't even know what that means.